quiet silence of a new fallen snow, where the world is sleeping and the cold winds blow. A blanket of peace on the evergreen wood, a whisper from God that is heard and is good. On every bent branch, a crystal display, a promise of mercy at the end of the day. But I feel on the mountain a change in the air, a gathering darkness, a tension to bear, a power approaching, a challenge I'll meet there. And the lightning strikes, tearing open the sky. A thunderclap echoes as mountains reply. In the roar and the rumble that shakes me, I know it's the voice of my God in the valley below. In the heart of the forest, through the storm and the fright, is where my frail faith holds on with all of its might. Now hope isn't found in the untrodden white. It's a seed in the frozen earth, fighting for light. Beneath the wild tempest, a root gripping deep, a vow in the winter that it will not sleep. With every flash blinding, every deafening sound, my strength is in knowing whose love is the ground. And the lightning strikes, tearing open the sky. A thunderclap echoes as mountains reply. In the roar and the rumble that shakes me, I know it's the voice of my God in the valley below. In the heart of the forest, through the storm and the fright, is where my frail faith holds on with all of its might. And after the fury, a gentler descent, the snow falling softly on where the storm went. A weak sun breaks through the wounded cloud scene. This peace isn't simple, it's hard won, redeemed. Not a faith without questions, not a calm without war, but a dawn after darkness, a still steadfast shore. And even the lightning that split the sky wide, the thunder now fading with nothing to hide, becomes a new rhythm within my soul's beat, the unending song of a love so complete. From the forest reborn, from the new morning's rays, this unshakable truth for the rest of my days. In the snow, in the forest, the lightning, the